Alright, here's a 150 watt LED project. I have through the line, wired through a kilowatt meter, and it's broken, but it always reads plus 38 or 39 watts, so it's still usable. Going to just a leading edge chopper, going to 4 transformers out of some halogen lights at 12 volts. I have them wired in series to give me 48 volts RMS, going into a full bridge rectifier, and then with 300 microfarads of capacitance right now. This is the voltage off of this mess, and something left on the capacitor yet. And this is the current going into the LED. The LED is a 150 watt rated at 40-ish volts and 3.6 amps max. Yeah, the heatsink. Oh, and just a fan I had laying around. I wired this in parallel right out of the dimmer, and it actually works pretty good for fan speed control relative to power into the diodes. So see if I can work that into the final design, or something similar. But it's an electronic dimmer, so it gives it a nice soft start. So I'm putting in 2.6, 38 volts. This rectifier, I don't know, it's rated for a lot more, but it seems to get pretty warm, so I assume I can get away with 3 transformers if I can get my voltage drop across, get a better rectifier. But the current control works pretty well, and I can completely adjust the current to the bulb down to a couple watts here. So we're looking at like 5 watts or so right now. I think that's probably verifiable by this output here. And I can dim it all the way down to, say, there. And I mean, this thing was running full blast. It's barely even over room temperature. I really can't even tell you if it's warmer or not. So the goal is to make this work light that's, you know, could be used as a floodlight, could be used as anything. I'm gonna get it back up to, it is just blinding. But I also have this aspheric lens, and the goal is that I can produce a focusable spotlight at the same time as having a flood pattern, just based on the distance that the 2 lenses are from each other. So let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna package it all together into this old housing that I got these transformers out of. This is actually the same diameter as, I think it's just bright, as this, so it's actually going to fit in real nice. And let's see what the final package looks like.